Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Tuesday, the 11th of August. Let's get to our weather wisdom for today. And we have a nice day, sunshine. Temperatures will be in the 80s to near 90 degrees. Yesterday was not as warm in Boston, and the reason for that is that the winds flipped around to the east, and that easterly flow of air actually kept Boston under 90 degrees. The high temperature for the day was actually reached like around 7:30 last night. It jumped into the mid 80s as winds went from the east to the southwest, and we went from 78 to 84 between 6 and 7 p.m. But that was the high for the day. It was warmer off towards the west, but the heat wave has been broken in terms of the string of 90-degree weather. There is some smoke out there this morning, especially from Boston south. It'll tend to thin out here during the afternoon hours. Tonight, temperatures down to the 60s, except staying near 70 in Boston. Tomorrow, more sunshine, temperatures in the mid 80s. Then on Thursday, another front approaches. Temperatures will be in the mid 80s, slightly more humid, maybe a shower, but I doubt it. And then it's more dry weather. We are really drying out again here. Seems like this has just been the pattern all summer long. We did not have a ton of rain over the summer. It actually wasn't horrible. We're just really dry from what happened the beginning of the year through the beginning of the summer. Then, so far, the first couple of months of summer were not bad in terms of rainfall, but now we seem to be heading back into this very dry pattern once again. And with all the sunshine out there, the soil's really drying out. We are going to start to need rain. And if you're going to think about starting a lawn here in another couple of weeks or planting some fall crops, you'll definitely need to be watering unless this pattern flips around. Have a great day, everybody.